guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day, and if you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. Today we're doing something super cute, super fun. I saw this over on May's channel, and I will link it below. It's a date night journal for December. How cool. Only I think I'm going to expand her idea and make one of these for each month of the year because, you know, we all need a little reminder to take some time for each other. But anyway, today we're going to make a date night for December journal. It's going to be fun. And it's super simple, super easy. You can knock it out really quickly. And it's going to be amazing. So let's just get started. Okay. For her journal, she had an actual journal that's for sale in her store. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just using these envelopes I had that were extra. I've tucked them all into one envelope and taped them in place and taped them shut. So this is my journal. I'm going to take this flap of the back envelope. This is the envelope everything is tucked into. And I'm going to tape it down. This is going to be my cover. And then I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically 4 pages, which works out perfectly because there's 4 weekends in December. Or 4 weeks because, you know, you might not have time for date night on the weekend, depending on schedules. So anyway, so what I've done so far is, like I said, I've just taped them closed because what I'm going to do is cut this end of the envelope open, and this is going to be where my journaling card goes, where I tell what we did on our date. So let me give you kind of a quick idea. This cover, inside cover is going to hold our tag that has some of these great date night ideas on it. And this is on the channel. This is on the, there's a link for these on May's page, which I have linked down below. Okay, so you put 1 or 2 on your tag, and the tag goes on this side. This side's going to be for a photo of the date night. And then I'm going to cut this open, and I'm going to put a journaling card in here that I journal about what we did, our food or activity or whatever. So I'm just going to cut that off. Okay, and my journaling card will just slide down in here. It's a good envelope. A 3x5 card fits in it. And that's going to be the setup. Then tag, photo, and journaling card inside. Okay, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to trim the ends off all of these because they're going to hold my journal cards. And there are the date night ideas. She has 4 pages with 12 ideas. So that is 48 ideas. That's a lot of ideas, guys. Like I said, I'm going to do one, I think, for the whole year. 1 a month. Okay. So now I'm going to come back. I just opened all the envelopes up for my journal cards. Now I'm going to come back and just tape this flat down. You can lick it if you want to. That's totally up to you. I'm just going to use some double-sided tape and just tape it down real quick. Okay. Now for my cover, what I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to use this napkin and decoupage it on there because I just kind of love this napkin so much that I think that would look really pretty as my cover. So there's our cover. Isn't it cute? And you can go back when it dries and ink around the edges. Now, I didn't cut this flap, but I've cut all the other ones for our journaling cards. And I'll just show you again. See, I cut it open. Okay, so we're going to put our tags on this side. And I got this cute little gingerbread kit off of Etsy. I just showed you how to do this, I just did a video on finding kits on Etsy, digital kits, how to download them, how to read what you can do with them, and I'll link that above. This one came with some cute tags, some journaling cards, so I thought it would be perfect. And I will link the store below, because I don't quite remember. Okay, it also has these cute journaling cards that actually fit to cover up the page. So I'm going to do this. Alright, I'm going to put the journaling card, which really fits the page good, up towards the top. And then I have like the space at the bottom where I'm going to put some paper, and that's going to be like our pocket. So I'm going to use this. This is really a cute kit. Like I said, I will link it below. I think it's My Front Porch Prints. Okay, and there is our little pocket. Let me find my tag so you can see. And see, I've made a cute little pocket. And the page is adorable. So now let's make where we're going to put our photo. I'm actually just going to take a pen and kind of draw how it would look if there was a Polaroid there. Well, yeah, I made it a little bigger than a Polaroid would be, but that's okay. And you could use straight lines if you wanted. And I'm going to put some lines at the bottom for like the date. And maybe just a quick description of where it was taken. Okay, so that's going to be my photo. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. See, that's where our photo is going to be. And then on the inside here is where we're going to put our little journaling card. And for a journaling card, we have these cute ones right here. We also have these that can be pages too. So I'm going to use one of these as a page next. So there's my journaling card. I'm going to stick it in its home, which is inside here where I've already, oops, not that one. Inside here, and I'm going to stick it down in there. Perfect. Now we got to make our tag for the other side. Okay, for the tag, I was going to put paper on it and then put this on top of that. Maybe I'll do that instead of using these little tags. I want 2 options each night. That's how Maymay showed it, and it was actually a pretty good idea. Go through the date nights, and she has everything you could imagine here. So we go through the date nights and put, you know, a choice on each side. So when you pick the tag, maybe the first choice isn't feasible for that night, but the second choice is. Let's see. But that tag's going to be awfully plain if I just leave it like that. So, well, look, here's some, let's do this. Some actually separate tags, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them out like they're a book, and I'm going to use them as a little book. As a tag book. Okay, so I'm going to fold them in half on the line. And there's my little tag book. How cute. It opens up, and inside, you got it, I'm going to put 2 date nights. So, now let's see. Give a treat to a neighbor, drop on the doorstep. Let's see, which ones do I want? So for this first tag, I'm going to put, one option is to have an ugly Christmas sweater photo shoot, or to watch a Christmas movie of his choice. So I'm just going to attach these into my tag. Okay, and then put that in there, and there we go. So there's our cover, and then there's our date night tag choice. Our photo goes here, and then in here is our journaling card where we write about what we did. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of the pages up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we are all done with our little date night journal. There is our adorable cover, which we just did a napkin. I went around and inked everything just to give it a more vintagey look. That's what I like. You open it up and here is our first pocket. It's got our 2 date night choices in there. Then we can put our photo here, and then behind the photo is the spot for the journaling card. This is what we did that night. And then, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 date nights. Each date night has 2 choices for you to pick from. And there's a photo place and a journaling card to go with each one as well. Again, this was a cute idea that I found over at Made It. It is linked below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure and hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite date night? Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.